go up in the air. When you see his nose go up in the air, kind of quiet your voice down. We're gonna see if we can hear his beautiful Arctic wolf howl. But Kenai likes to chit chat a little bit, so he doesn't want to stop there. He wants to howl a couple times back and forth, so we'll keep it going. Are you guys willing? Sure. All right, let's try it out. Here we go.
Yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Ooh. Yeah.
We are going to keep doing them until we see Kenai's nose go up in the air. When you